Connecting Printify to Shopify is pretty easy. This video is step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First, you have to log in or create an account in Printify. It's free, don't worry. You have to go to the Manage My Store, then click on Connect, and then choose the Shopify option. If you're adding another store to your Printify account, select Add New Store. Now paste your URL store. Now you have to paste your store's URL and click on connect. To find your store URL, go to the setting in your Shopify dashboard. You'll see the upper left corner where you can see your URL, which is like myshop.myshopify.com. Now this is the final step. You have to go to install the app in your Shopify store. You have to go to the app store of Shopify and install Printify app. Here you have to log in your email address to connect to your Printify. It's super easy, you can see on the screen. So this was a guide on how you can connect Printify to Shopify. It's very easy, you can already see it on screen. There's already step-by-step presentation, and I'll see you in the next one.